Alright, hello. So this is, I have made a new program. Well, it's not that new. I already made it a while ago. I'm just showing it off now. It's a program I made called Coder, and it allows you to save your code. It's very simple. It's using a rich text box, but I made the background the same color as Visual Studio, so you can see it's the same thing, um, to make it look the same. So when you're like save your, you can just copy and paste it in, and it saves the way it looks and the format. So it's just a rich text box, and it's really easy to make. I'm not going to show you how to make it. I might do that at a later time. But for now, I'm just going to show you how it works, and I'll have a link to it in the description if you want it. And later on, I'll show you how to make one, so you can make your own. So it's really nice. You can save, so as you can see, I just saved this in here. And if I wanted to say, I have this example form right here. And if I want to actually just have some normal ones I use commonly, and I can just take this, and when I want to do this, I just go to form public. So that'll go there. And then I'm going to need a rich text box. I mean, a picture box. You don't need a picture box. You could do this with the form itself. It's just I like it better because you can have an area set that you want to be able to be the drag. So then you take this and go in here. And I actually have it later. I have the example like where to put it, so because I forget it pretty often. Well, usually I remember after a while because I use it quite a bit, but you can really easily get this in here. And now when I open this up, I can drag it around with this little box, and actually you could just change the back color so it's different looking. And yeah, now you have your own little border, and you can do this all around, but I've not found a good way to do it. I mean, I have actually, but it doesn't work all that well to do your own sizing of it. I mean, you can do it if you're better at it, but yeah. So Coder just saves your code really nice and easy. So then, if I wanted to go in and save this exact code from this program, obviously you could do it through Visual Studio. But if you want to use it for example and load it quickly into another one, this is a lot easier to load up than a Visual Studio file. Um, like I can just easily open up different things. Then you go to here, you click that, and click save, and then here it saves it. And I have it here on my desktop, and there it is, nice and saved. And it'll tell you once it's saved. Actually, it says um, it has a little notification there, although it doesn't show that afterwards you open up because it's not edited. But after you save it, it tells you. So it's very simple. Um, and actually, you need to, if you get it, you need to set the in the program, you need to set the program to open the code saver code files that I made. And that's very simple. You just go to program change, and once you do that, you can select code saver, or you might have to go into like browse it on your find it on your system wherever you put it, but you can just set that and then it'll open the files right up. And actually, you can open this with any rich text editor. It just won't save the background, so you won't have the nice coloring, but you can still save, like it'll still have the color coding, so that's nice. So that's pretty much it. I'll put